Hi everyone! I was eating Doritos chips the other day and I thought, I like this and I love chaat. So I decided to combine these and create a tasty, savory snack which I'm calling Doritos Chaat Lasagna. So I chopped up some vegetables and added them into a bowl. These are the vegetables I chose to add and were also available, but obviously one has the freedom to add any vegetable they like. To this, I added some lemon juice and obviously some chaat masala, ketchup, and some salt. Finally, I mixed all of these together, and now comes the fun part: assembling all the ingredients. For this, I'll be using Doritos chips instead of the pasta. I took a square lunchbox and placed the first layer of flat Doritos chips. Next, I couldn't choose between cheese and curd, so I decided to go with both. So on one side, I placed the cheese like this, and on the other half, I added some probiotic curd. Next, I added the vegetables. I kept repeating the layers in this order 2 more times. On the topmost layer, I added some more Doritos chips and then decorated it. I added some curd, ketchup, sprinkled some bhujia on top, and added some fresh coriander leaves. Now comes the best part, and that is to finally taste this. As you can see, the cheese held the layers together beautifully and better than the curd. But what ultimately matters is the taste. I'll be having this with some kiwi and aloe vera juice. I totally loved this, and now I'm gonna go share this with my roommates and hope they like this too. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. Take care and have fun!